Hey guys, it's Wendell here once again at BrandsMart USA to give you another video and some product information on the new Samsung 22 cubic foot counter depth family hub refrigerator. Why waste time? Let's go ahead and dive right into it. This refrigerator comes with a Flex Zone drawer, a flexible storage drawer with 4 different temperature settings and an adjustable smart divider to stay organized. The stainless steel paneling helps maintain consistent temperature throughout the refrigerator. Independent fridge and freezer controls keep food fresher longer. With adjustable shelves, you can go from standard to slide in or flip up to store tall items with ease. It is Energy Star certified and has high efficiency LED lighting to beautifully light up the interior of your fridge so you're able to quickly spot what you want. It has a special finish to reduce smudges and minimize cleaning. With the Family Hub, you can customize your own home screen by adding personal pictures, drawings, or even stickers. It allows you to access your smart devices and Samsung appliances from your Family Hub screen, set lights, hear and speak to someone at your front door, monitor your baby's room, and receive laundry end of cycle notifications. All right, folks, there you have it, the new Samsung 22 cubic foot counter depth Family Hub refrigerator right here at BrandsMart.